Good Sunday morning, everyone. Welcome to 256 Garage. This week in review. I was still out sick all week last week. I got here yesterday. Was able to come do some work yesterday. Back feeling better. But I'm here today kind of give you a little rundown of what I know what's going on. They've been busy. Got a few more out and got a few more in here to work on. Few little other projects, but let's kind of walk around and show you what's going on. Got this little Super Duty in. Harley Davidson F250. Not 100% sure what we're going to do with it. It's got the bad, I believe 6.4. It's bad, so it really needs a motor. We've thought about taking the 7.3 out of the, I think it's a 99 over there, taking it out and putting in this one because this is a real nice truck. But that's a pretty nice truck too when we get the right side fixed, and we've already got some parts for it, beds and doors. So really hate to tear it down, but really be nice to have a 7.3 in that. But anyway, we'll kind of figure out what we're gonna do. Maybe we could find a couple wrecked ones that need a front end, one need a bed, and maybe one needs some doors, something like that. But we'll make use out of it somehow. Old neighbors have put in a pool. We may have to sneak off over there when he's gone. Borrow that thing, you know, keep it tried out for him. But anyway, got a few Nissans here to work on. We've about come 256 Nissan because I believe we work on more of them wrecked than we do anything. Just right now, let's see, we got this blue in here. Got that bronze colored brown one over there. Got a silver one right there. So, like I said, it's about a Nissan dealership around here. Go show you what Drake and Alan drug in the other day. Couple bathtubs. Look at that clawfoot tubs. Got them, picked them up where we got this car from, it's an old parts car. Got another one over there that's supposed to have a rebuilt motor, but it's been sitting for a long time. And the guy give this one to go along with it. He bought it for parts. This would be the nice one to have really because it's a T-top car. See the T-tops in it there? Still got good T-tops, but it's a rough old car. But that would have been a nice one with the T-tops. I'll go over here and show you the other one right quick. Just kind of run you around and around here. And right over there, speaking of Nissans, there's another Nissan. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 here to work on. But right over here is the other car that's Grand Prix that he built the motor in, and he ended up needing some garage space, so he pushed it outside under the tree, and it sat under the tree for a while. But the motor's not supposed to hardly have any miles on it, so we may get it up and get it running, go from there. Let's walk into the shop right here. I don't know if you've seen the short or not, but we took the race car down the road and done a little burnout in it. Well, I mean the track right out front there. It's running real good. We got the Mustang in here. Got the transmission and under the bottom painted, if you've seen that short. Got it looking real nice. Got it about ready to go. Just need to do some cleaning on it. But this may not be the most popular color, and it's one of the bench seat cars, but it is a nice car. I mean, this is a nice car. If this thing was red or black, you couldn't beat it. Right here's the doors off of JMROD. Got their truck, got them worked and primed yesterday. Got some spots on the cab. It's over there inside the paint booth. Got Drake's in here again. We got the front bumper mounted on it yesterday. I think I put that bumper on 5 or 6 times before I got it where it fit with the transmission cooler. We built the carburetor on it. Take this breather off and show you. Built the carburetor. put that carburetor on a race car yesterday and drove it down the road, and it's a lot better carburetor, I believe, than the race car. So when he ain't looking, we may have to do some trading, because with that breather's on it, you can't tell what's under there, but you can tell by the running. But he won't never drive it. We'll just take the battery off. But anyway, them Nissans is what we got lined up for next week. We're gonna get in here today and try to do a little shop cleaning, get caught up. It don't take just a few minutes to get piled up. So we're gonna get started and hope everyone has a good week, and check back with us.